Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to delete a PDF file using terminal and terminal commands on a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, be able to use terminal as well as the terminal commands. Now let's go all the way down to the dock, go to Launchpad, search for terminal, open up the command prompt on screen, increase the size of the terminal window as well as the font size on screen. Now let's clear all the content on screen. ls-l to list everything. CD desktop. ls-l to now delete the PDF file on screen. The command is rm trial document.pdf, enter, and we will now see the PDF file vanish. It has now been deleted, so we can now clear all the content on screen, change directory, clear, quit terminal. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for computer science videos from the start until now.